Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I'll show you 3 last-minute quick and easy Lunar New Year crafts using red packets and staples. This beautiful Lucky 8 Chinese New Year hanging wall art followed by this dual print wall decoration. You can easily turn the wall deco around for a different print. I really love this one. It looks amazing. This wall deco enhances the top portion of the Lucky 8 wall art that we just made. With just a little and simple tweak on the tassel, it transforms your wall decoration into this beautiful piece. Lastly, a fun Unity ball lantern for the little kids. For your first DIY, you'll need 14 red packets, red elastic ribbon or red string, red tassel, and stapler. First, take a red envelope, close the opening, fold lengthwise. Once you have formed the middle crease, take a corner of the envelope and fold it towards the middle of the crease like so. Then, continue to take the other corners of the envelopes and fold it towards the middle of the crease. Your envelope should look like this. Second, continue the same process with the rest of the red envelopes. Third, arrange your red envelopes to form the number 8. Make sure that the prints on the red envelopes are in the directions you want. Number 8 symbolizes wealth, and this wall art invites great wealth into your home. Here is the number 8. Next, take 2 envelopes, face the unprinted sides against each other. Using a small stapler, staple twice along the crease. This is how it should look like. Take the third envelope, face the unprinted side against one of the stapled envelope like so. Just make sure that they are aligned neatly before you staple, and keep in mind the direction of the print on the red envelopes. Then go ahead and continue to staple along the crease for the rest of the envelopes. 7 red envelopes on each side. Just keep in mind the direction of the print on the red envelopes. First side is complete, 7 red envelopes in total. Next, do the same process on the other side with the rest of the other 7 envelopes. Here is the other side completed. Now we are ready to layer one side over another like so. To hold the 2 sides together, layer the flaps over each other and staple them. For the inner flaps, overlap over each other like so. Try to keep the outer flaps neat by keeping in mind which side of the flap you layer on top before you staple them. Go ahead and continue to staple with the rest of the flaps. This is how your lucky number 8 wall deco art should look like. It's very neat and light. Finally, use a tassel and red elastic ribbon to turn it into a beautiful hanging wall art. Insert the ribbon into the tassel and knot it twice. Secure the tassel onto the wall art with tape and press it down. This is how it looks. Finally, make a loop. Voila! Hang this beautiful lucky number 8 wall deco art to invite great wealth into your home this Lunar New Year. This year is the year of the metal ox. It will bring career advancement, success in business, prosperity, and wellness for all zodiac signs. Do you notice the middle crease on each of the red envelope? For the next DIY, we'll fold our envelopes without the middle crease for a cleaner look. To make this dual-sided wall deco art, you'll need 8 red packets in total, 4 of each print. Table scatters from Walmart, red tassel, and red elastic ribbon or string. First, take an envelope and close the opening. To fold your envelopes without the middle crease, bring both corners of the envelope to the middle like so. Do the same on the opposite end. The rest of the process is same like the previous DIY. Fold the corners on all 8 envelopes. Arrange them one style on each side to make it a dual-sided print. Staple along the corner crease. Keep in mind the direction of the print on the envelope and the print style. Here is one side with this print style. Here is the other side with a different print style. Instead of taping the tassel onto the wall art through the opening, make a bridge. Cut a red envelope into half. Fold it to fit in between the opening. Make a trifold like so. Fold it again. Place one side of the fold against the wall art and secure it with staple. Make a hole using a hole puncher. This bridge will help our tassel to hang beautifully. Insert the red elastic ribbon onto the tassel. Tie 2 knots. Next, take 2 red envelopes, close the openings, and glue it onto the elastic ribbon like so. Press it down. The glue stick holds the red envelopes pretty well. Cut to your desired length. Insert it into the hole on the bridge we just made. Knot it such that it doesn't fall through the hole. Now take the other side of the wall art, secure the bridge onto the other side with staple. This is how the bridge looks. Here's a comparison without the bridge to hang the tassel. Then go ahead, make another bridge for the top portion of the wall art to hang the loop. Place the bridge against the side with the folded side facing inwards and secure it with staple like so. Make a hole. Insert the elastic ribbon through the hole, make a loop and knot it thrice. This is how the loop with the top bridge looks like. Next, secure the bridge to the other side of the wall art like so. Finally, go ahead and staple both sides of the wall art together and staple the side flaps. Try to keep it neat. Now let's enhance the tassel with table scatters. Simply glue the scatters onto the elastic ribbon like so. Here it is. How beautiful is this wall deco? I love how simply the table scatters enhanced the tassel. And the bridge gave this Chinese New Year wall art the perfect final touch. Voila, your dual-sided DIY Chinese New Year wall art. So beautiful, so elegant, and it was so easy to make. To make the Unity ball lantern for the kids, you'll need 12 red packets, preferably in the same print. This DIY is an extension of our previous DIY. Fold your corners of the envelopes. Staple along the crease. Arrange and staple the envelopes by quadrants. Extend the quadrant like so. The process is very simple. You'll just arrange by quadrant and staple along the crease. Next, staple along the crease of all the other corners like so. Push the envelopes outward if needed to give it a fuller round look. Family unity is an important aspect of Lunar New Year, and roundness is a symbol of unity. That's why reunion dinner is an important tradition on the eve of the Lunar New Year. After securing all the corners, you'll be left with 2 red envelopes. Take 1 red envelope and complete another quadrant. Secure it with stapler along the crease. Here I'm completing the 4th and final quadrant. Before we close the ball lantern fully, insert a gold elastic ribbon into the tassel Form a loop and insert it through the Unity ball lantern. This allows the little kids to hold it easily. Secure it with tape. For the final step, go ahead and close the ball lantern fully. I couldn't insert my staple through the hole, so I used a paper clip to hold the corners together. It worked out well. I suggest to use the larger envelopes for this craft. It will make it easier to staple the corners while forming it into a ball shape. This Unity ball lantern is a great way to involve the kids in the Chinese New Year decoration. Voila! Cute little Unity ball lantern for the kids. I hope you found value in my video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications if you haven't done so. Those are my 3 last-minute quick and easy Lunar New Year crafts using red packets and staples. Happy Chinese New Year! May this year be the best year ever. Be sure to watch my other Chinese New Year DIY deco tutorials. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.